After placing the printhead, tighten the screws on the four sides. Insert the ink capsule into the channel of the printhead. There are 6 channels on the printhead. One ink capsule is inserted into each channel. Note that you need to use a needle to draw out the ink as shown in the video before inserting it. Then you can insert it into the nozzle of the printhead, and the ink capsule must be connected to the ink tube. The order of colors from left to right is black, blue, blue, pink, pink, yellow. Next is the installation of the second printhead. You need to connect the printhead line to the printhead first. There are left and right words on the printhead line. You need to connect the printhead according to the above words. Because the printhead is placed on the printer, the direction is reversed. You need to pay attention. Be careful not to touch the metal surface of the printhead when installing the printhead. Now the left side is installed. Insert the printhead line into the printhead. You can hear a click to indicate that it has been installed. The connection is successful. After plugging it in, you need to pay attention to whether the pointer is aligned. Then proceed with the installation on the right side. Plug the nozzle line into the nozzle as on the left side. You will hear a click indicating that it is connected. After the connection is completed, check whether the pointers are all aligned. After the connection is completed, press down all 4 screws behind the nozzle. After aligning the position, tighten the screws in a cross order. After tightening, check whether the nozzle is tightened. If not, twist it a few more times to confirm that the printhead is not loose. Then it is the same as the first printhead. There are 6 channels on the printhead and 1 channel is plugged with an ink sac. Note that before inserting, you need to use a needle to draw out the ink as shown in the video, and then you can insert it into the channel of the printhead. The color order from left to right is black, blue, blue, pink, pink, yellow. and the round surface of the ink sac is facing us. Next is the installation of the paper collector bracket. Align it with the printer with the holes facing the holes, and then screw it in. Similarly, screw it in across order. The same goes for the other side. The installation tool used is this. The next step is to install the paper collector. Place the installation positions for the left and right sides as written above. Note that the connection line is connected to this position. Then put the square pipe bracket on the machine. Twist the button on it to tighten it. Connect the round pipe to the paper collector and then insert it into the square pipe. The same is true for the other side. After completing this step, tighten the buttons on the left and right sides. and then put the film on the paper collector. The position must be aligned with the film outlet position of the powder shaking machine. After confirming the alignment, you can tighten the two buttons on the side, and then the installation is complete. After completion, you can turn on the switch to check whether the paper can be collected. The following is a display of the printing process of the printer. The powder is poured here, and then the powder will be added to the glue on the film, and then it will be heated and dried in the oven. Finally, the printed pattern will be rolled up by the paper collector.